Find features that distinguish it from other brands for TOPDON RLink X3 OBD2 adapter. And why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. TOPDON RLink X3 Professional J2534 OBD2 adapter for GM, Ford and Chrysler dealer-level diagnostics. Unlock true OEM-level diagnostics with the TOPDON RLink X3 OBD2 adapter, the professional-grade J2534 pass-through tool designed for GM, Ford, and Chrysler. This powerful adapter provides full bidirectional control, system resets, and module programming using official OE software, subscriptions required. The RLink X3 supports 8+ OEM platforms including Forscan, FJDS, FDRS, Tech2Win, SPS, TLC, GDS2, and WIDOC 2.0, allowing seamless switching between brands and systems. Equipped with J2534 and CANFD protocols, it supports vehicles from 2006 to 2025, offering full coverage for modern GM, Ford, and Chrysler models. Tested over 10,000+ vehicles, this OBD2 to USB adapter delivers 10x faster performance, stable data transfer, and smart auto-switching between protocols for uninterrupted workflow. Compact, durable, and reliable, the RLink X3 is the ultimate diagnostic link between your PC and your vehicle for professional technicians and enthusiasts alike. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.